Okay. Look at that marvelous Lincoln. And what's going on, geez? It's Monday and we couldn't start the week in any better note than getting a car, a brand new car, and it's a Navigator. So the coincidence there with the Lincoln is pretty good. And we're doing it for Rodrigo.
That's right.
And by we are doing it, I mean we're just going to film it because it's content and it's fresh and it's delicious.
And if Rodrigo doesn't get it today, they're gonna sell it. my theory is his car has arrived every single month.
They just keep selling it?
Yeah, that's my theory.
Because they're fire right now. Yeah. Those Navigators are impossible to get. What'd you get, Rodrigo? Black on black? Regular wheelbase?
Black, short wheelbase, and a bunch of goodies on it.
Nice.
When can I start Ubering at night? You don't need it. When you don't need it. You don't need it at night.
Is that real or fake?
That's gotta be real. New York plates?
Yeah, but it's open carriage.
True.
Know.
Yeah, but I'm thinking a New York guy would never. New York guys don't do that, right?
Jersey.
Oh, but he doesn't have Jersey plates. If it was Jersey, by the way, if it was Jersey plates, we'd both be like, oh, that's fake.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna go check out the Raptor and see what the update is, because also, you haven't seen my Raptor, right?
I have not.
Let's go check it out. Then we're building the tail for our radio show. This is why we have to be here at noon. Ooh, that is happening right now. And also, Fargini, there's something behind you I can't film, so don't move.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we decided to split and conquer. So Rodrigo's gonna go and start his paperwork so that we don't have to stare at him for like 3 hours straight. And we're just waiting here right now for everyone to show up and we're gonna do the table. Except I don't know what Fargini's doing right now. Fargini, what are you up to?
I'm about to play HQ.
Oh my God. All right, John from Dash is here and he's got his car wrapped in the most ridiculous wrap you've ever seen. But he's saying that it's a Fortnite thing. So let me show you. That's John, he's on the phone. I gotta show that. There's a piñata in the front. What is with the piñata? I didn't know John or Ski were Mexican.
The driver is, come on.
My man.
I'm gonna hang out here. Thank you so much.
Oh. Ski knows how to travel in style, by the way. Holy
We gotta get one of these, dude. We gotta get one of these.
I know we do, but people already complain that we don't drive our other cars. Once we have one of these, it's gonna be game over.
Look how comfortable just this.
I know. And look at the lights on top.
Oh yeah, we got the
The windows.
Look out your window. You can
Show us that.
Guys, watch
Look at this.
Look at this.
Bam.
Oh!
I got this. Look at this.
Just with a touch of a button, baby. This is what we need, but then everyone's gonna be like, you never drive cars anymore. So, we're here. We already measured the space. We know what we want here on our table. And you want to prank Rodrigo.
I really want to prank him, and I spoke to Eric. Here's what we could do, okay? This could all be done remotely on his new Navigator, okay? We just need a $40 old alarm part.
Okay.
He installs it, and then we have like a receiver. We just have to be near the car.
What's that gonna do? Explain to everyone what that's gonna do.
Anytime he hits the brakes, the horn will go on. Anytime. And then it's a remote. We can have it on and off.
He just wants to fuck with his head, by the way.
I love how into it Fargini is on this. When like the origin story of this came because we wanted to do this to you.
Oh,
Yeah, it was. Bye!
Let's go tell Eric we want to do it so he can start getting the parts. And
I just want to make sure, Rodrigo, you know that this is not me. This is Fargini doing this to you, okay?
But it's mild.
Rodrigo's the one that he's the least aware of all of our stupid jokes. Like the most serious one.
No idea.
No idea. Oh, he's gonna have a mental breakdown, you'll see. And just remember that I gave the keys to freaking Tim. Fargini, have you talked to Eric?
Eric's on it. I told him to contact me when it's time for us to go film him actually like doing it. But we're going. It's going.
Let's just go get something to eat and then let's go there. We got the Puku Minis right here. They've been, Fargini, how long have they been for sale for and why haven't you told people about it?
They've been on sale for a couple weeks.
Yeah.
Can I just tell you one thing?
Yeah,
The people who have them,
yeah.
strangers are coming up to them and offering them cash for this because they've never.
Get the fuck out of here.
I swear to
It
you.
is dope as shit.
Look, it's got the carabiner. No, and I don't mean it's called a carabiner. I'm not being racist. It's called a carabiner. So put it in like that.
It's a good package coverage thing. There's many, yeah. We've seen how, hang on. Before I show it like you, why don't we just show Jess doing it? Ivan, please cut through Jess'
Please.
show. Yeah, thank you.
These are the mini pukus. They're amazing. The mini monkey and the mini bunny. Just a traditional side little satchel or just like as a purse. You can wear it as a fanny. You just tighten the straps. You can loop it around the jeans and fasten it on right here like that. It's very cute, stylish. Good for concerts, good for on the go. You can fit your credit cards, your phone fits in there. And then another way to do it is loop it through here, fasten it a little bit, wear it as a little backpack.
And now, here we are. You finally did it. This is our second product that came. No, this is our third product because we put the hats before out. And this is our third product. Yeah, of course. Oh, we also have these here.
So whoever didn't get the launch edition hat,
Yeah.
we have these. These are limited to 250.
Yeah.
So they're here at gas also. And
Nice.
on the website.
Hey, you're killing it, Fargini. Well
We're
done.
killing it.
Honestly, and all of the other stuff that is coming out because Puku is now transitioning from what we've seen and what people have been purchasing and liking. We're transitioning to everything for your kids and parents up to the age of 7.
Correct.
Right?
Correct. And plus, I need new clothes, so that's why I'm developing all this new stuff.
In all seriousness, if you want to get your Puku Pals, you can come to Gas here at Galpin. Tommy would be happy to help you. Please don't bother him too much. And also, you can go and shop Salomondrin, and pro members know what's up. You guys know about the that we got going on, or you can get them at pukupals.com. Good for you, Fargini. Why are you sweating so much? Ivan, are we seeing Rodrigo's Navigator now?
Yes, we are.
Is that the story?
As soon as we're done signing one more thing, Navigator's next.
There's more paperwork to sign. Oh, you've been here for 7 years. Eric just called and said that he's ready to put this in Rodrigo's truck. Let's go with Ivan upstairs, look at it, and whenever they come back for more paperwork, we'll do it. This is a very big moment. Rodrigo might be the whitest Mexican we've ever had, not only on the show, but in my life. He got approved without any questions
No calls,
asked.
nothing. It was just, we put the information, they're like, approved, good.
How come you've never signed for me, you piece of shit?
Put the right name.
Yeah, yeah. Look,
I have been a responsible U.S. citizen for most of my adult life, so it pays off to pay your bills, guys.
That's not true. I pay my fucking bills. My credit is shit. Fuck you, credit system. I think they brought the truck downstairs, so we're gonna go check it out. Here we go. Here we go. Our Uber's here. Look at this Mexican guy.
This is a luxury Raptor. That's what this is.
Yeah.
It's 450 horsepower, 510 foot-pound of torque. It's the same thing as a
Yeah.
Raptor.
Holy shit, Rodrigo. Yeah. Whoa. Fucking love these trucks. It's got the step. I'm sorry that I'm sitting in the back, Ivan. I'm total douche. I just wanted to look at all of the. Oof. Oh, the car is so nice. Rodrigo's gonna be a happy vagina. It's so quiet. Oh, I love that. How you put it in gear and park and all that stuff just with that tree right there. This is fucking amazing. I can't believe how much these cars have changed and how great they are now.
They did a really good job.
Yeah, the older
They did a
one.
refresher and they didn't screw it up.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Look at how much fucking room you have back there.
So
This, you got the captain's chairs?
Yeah.
Customers love captain's chairs. They really do.
Fargini, I don't think he's gonna let you Uber it.
Not once.
Are you happy?
It was worth the wait.
Yeah.
Damn worth the wait.
Take it for a spin.
Let's.
Let's do it.
Right? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Holy crap, good credit pays off.
Damn.
Man.
So hey, hang on. So this is what good credit looks like, huh?
I guess so.
Here we go.
All right.
Let's see what that 4 GT engine can do here. Oh shit, it can actually move.
Moving that big
Okay.
Hey, we don't take it to the end. Hey.
Take it easy. Hey,
See what it can do.
this is a
Check it what it
great
can do.
street
This is a great
to come fuck around in. Yeah, we're gonna get some sexy shots of it back here at the gas shop. You're gonna go do your paperwork, Rodrigo?
Yeah, finish it up.
See you guys in a little bit. Happy paperwork. Oh my god, this is gonna be so fucking terrible. Rodrigo's not gonna know what. By the way, he doesn't know anything about these cars like this. He's not gonna think like. He's really gonna be like, oh, my car's broken.
And I came out with how we're gonna do this. So your car's here, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna go back over there when he's done.
Yeah.
And be like, hey, Rodrigo, congratulations. Can you give us a ride back to our car?
Got it. Yes. Eric, what are you doing now? How are you gonna do this? I can see the
I love
by the way, I can't even read that.
Look how much work has gone into this. This is amazing.
Oh,
my God. Okay, I gotta say, Rodrigo, I'm sorry. If this joke doesn't go well and you're not happy with this, I'm sorry, I'll make it up.
Thank you, Eric. You're the fucking man.
It wasn't my idea.
I know. Hey, but you're the only one that's able to do this, so thank you.
By the way, every time you go up to Eric and you're like, Eric, can you do like this, and you in your mind, you're like, it's about, he goes,
Yeah, I know. You're a beast, Eric. Thank
you
you.
still haven't brought anything to him that he's gonna go.
Yeah,
like,
what? No.
Rodrigo's like, he doesn't get jokes.
Yeah,
so this is gonna be
By the way,
fucking
this is
hilarious.
gonna be, yeah.
He's
By
gonna
the way,
be just like this.
Yeah, I want to know, like, I just want to know how Rodrigo reacts to this.
Like this. Look at that amount of wire. Okay. I'm telling you, dude. Rodrigo's never gonna know.
It's gonna be the best thing that I've ever
He's
seen.
never gonna know.
Who's gonna be in control?
I'll do it. I'll do it with the camera.
You gotta do it.
There's two remotes.
No, you gotta do it. You're in charge. You're in charge.
So this is the remote. I'll be driving the truck there. So locked means it won't make it. Unlocked it means it'll make the noise. So are you done, Eric? You're a fucking beast. A beast.
Should we do a road test on the way to Rodrigo?
We will. Yeah, we will. Here's the remote,
Yeah.
so you can try it right now.
Just to confirm again, lock is honk.
Yes.
Unlock is turn it off. So
Unlock is off. Lock is locked for the brakes to sound. Done. Thank you so much, dude. Hey, it's like a brand new car. It's like I forgot about it.
I got it.
Unlock it. Unlock
it on.
Okay, there you go. Oh man,
Eric, thank you so much.
you've brought us so much joy. You don't understand, Eric. Thank you. Thank you.
I get paid to do this.
Talk about a fucking dream job. You're right. All right, we gotta try this, buddy.
Yep.
Lock it.
Okay.
So let's pretend that it's happening
Yep,
right now.
yeah,
Rodrigo's
yeah.
driving, he's taking us there, and then he goes, "Oh, guys, by the way,
You guys, we cannot laugh.
turn it off, turn it off, turn it off."
We cannot laugh.
It is off. Okay. It is off. Okay.
We cannot laugh, you guys. Okay, no laughing. You guys cannot laugh.
We're all gonna lose.
Come on.
We're all gonna lose.
No. We
There's
can't
no
laugh.
way I'm not gonna laugh.
Okay.
So it's
Here we go.
unlocked. Let me triple check that this control also works. Okay.
Okay.
It's actually instant. It's actually instant.
Okay. Here we go.
No, it works
I
perfectly.
got it. My bet is going that Rodrigo's gonna go like this. The first time it honks, he's gonna go. Is it me or did the car honk when I broke? How much you want to bet?
Hey, okay, guys. The rules. No one can break. No one can break the
Character
code.
or the silence or whatever it is? Okay. So I think now it's clear. I think the goal should be we're gonna make the horn sound and go off and whatnot, but we want to keep it as little as possible so that when he watches this vlog, he understands why this happened. It'll be on us to be discreet and for him not to be like, what was that? And just have like that one question. Yeah. And that'll be the end of the show.
The tire one and the tire protection.
Yeah,
It's done.
it's amazing to drive. Congratulations, dude. Can you, we're gonna ask you if you can just take us from here to gas so that we can finish the vlog.
For sure. Let's do it.
Yeah, boy, let's go. You're gonna ride with us, Ivan? Yeah. Let's go. No, we'll go in the back.
I'll go in the back.
Okay.
It was a nice little plus.
So it's a left and a left.
You started going more than 5 miles per hour. So
Oh, and it blocked.
yeah.
Perfect.
So and it'll do that. It's a setting. I learned that in Farshad's Raptor because we couldn't get it to stop Texas.
For Farghini's Raptor?
Yeah.
It got me in trouble.
That was
Are you talking about the? Are you talking about the thing with
me?
the? Are you talking about the thing with my text?
Where do I?
What do you mean?
Text showing?
I didn't touch this.
No, oh, then it wasn't like that.
I mean, it was this carpet.
What do you mean the text of what?
Ivan, what were we talking about? What were we talking about?
Oh, because your car, as soon as I send you a text, would read it out loud. So we were trying to figure out how to make that not happen. And
Because
we
I-
did it on the car, but we couldn't figure it out on your phone.
Because I'd have certain people in the car, and then certain people would text, and then they got to know each other.
This is awful, Farshad.
Rodrigo, you like it?
Love it.
It's fucking amazing, dude. Congratulations one more time. It's beautiful. And it's so massive.
Look at me.
Even Farshad fits perfectly fine.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
You can fit what? What were you gonna call Farshad?
I
just
said
tell
a
the truth.
full-size adult. That's what I said. Full-size adult.
Full size, I'm regular size.
You're more
You're
than.
above medium for sure.
Should we go all the way in the back?
My car's right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
Second
Right
time
here.
it does it. What's going on with the?
Check the alarm, make sure.
There's my car.
Yeah, I see.
Thank you.
Rodrigo, we'll see you at the
We'll see you at the house?
Yeah.
All right. Congratulations, dude. He has no idea. He goes, this is my car that's making this noise. He has no fucking idea. I can't believe it worked.
He was when we got out of the car. He was testing it. He hit the horn. On
I
this
know,
thing.
I
He was
saw.
testing it.
I saw. He's going now. All right,
even
the
breathe.
horn's not going to go off anymore.
Oh my god. Hold on. Should we give him one last toot as he's pulling?
No. We, I
Wait,
think,
save it for the office.
yes,
Okay.
he's very self-conscious
We
already.
teased it just enough.
Yes. You might watch this, and also you're in it, so.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
It took forever. Nothing?
I was like, wait. That was like my car. Why did you do that?
Oh my
Next
god.
door. You still have it.
No, you still have it in your car now.
That is so fun.
We could, by the way, it's off. Like, you can't do it unless I turn it on with a remote. So I have the remote, so I'll give it to you and I can take it to gas. It's like a quick thing.
And Rodrigo, I'm
Yeah.
sorry. I kind of masterminded it. I'm very sorry. If you're upset,
It just ruins my warranty.
Ivan had no idea whatsoever that we were doing this. So when I got out of the car, I told Ivan, by the way, those hunks, that's us. I have a remote. I'm pulling the remote out of my pocket. Rodrigo comes out and he drops in front of him, and Rodrigo just looks at the remote like, whatever.
I was in the back seat, dude. My eyes were just full of tears. I couldn't stop.
Farshad was just like this.